Hi there everyone, today we're going to start off by giving this driveway and carport a hard pressure water wash. Now to wash all the oil and foreign materials off the concrete, we're using a 10:1 mix of water and hydrochloric acid. Now make sure you wear proper safety gear because you don't want this stuff getting on you, it's so corrosive, very dangerous. In small sections at a time, pour enough workable solution onto the concrete and scrub it in. Leave it on the surface for about 5 minutes and then give it a high pressure water wash again. Now also to roughen the surface, I've repeated the washing process with a mix of this concrete etcher. Now the ratio is 1 kilo of etcher to 10 litres of water. Now we apply it the same way as the hydrochloric acid and then leave it on for about 5 minutes and then high pressure water wash it off again. Now that crack at the top part of the screen there, that's quite large, it required quite a bit of work. We had to make a slurry of straight cement and PVA glue. We made it quite runny and then poured it into the crack to fill it up. I left it concave so after 5 days drying we can add that polyurethane on top to smooth it out. Now I've filled the last crack there with polyurethane and then smoothed it out with my finger. Now I'm blending the edges in with a bit of turps and a brush. This brushing technique with the turps gives a good transition between the polyurethane and the concrete. Now it's time to prepare the paint. We're going to give it a good mixing. Then for the first coat, I'm going to make a 50% mix of oil-based paving paint and mineral turpentine. This will give a fantastic absorbent prime coat that the concrete will really suck in. This way it creates a great bonding surface for the top coat to stick to. That'll give it the most durability. First, use a brush. Cut in the perimeter and any gaps or obstacles that the roller can't get around. Use a bucket for the paint mix, pour a small amount at a time onto the concrete, Then use the roller to spread it around. Make sure the paint penetrates all the crevices, joints and cracks. Now we cut in the second coat. Now, the first prime coat's done, with the second cutting also done, ready for the top coat. Now we're opening up the second tin of paint for the top coat. Add some into the bucket. Add some top coat grip additive into the paint and then mix it in bit by bit. Hope you're enjoying my videos. Give us a like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. There we go. All finished, nice and shiny and clean and good. Thanks for watching.